In the heart of Leucadia, just west of the 5, discover a rare slice of coastal paradise. Hi, I'm Ellen.
And I'm Clara. Let us show you around. Welcome to 398 Andrew Avenue, a two-story coastal retreat on a level third-acre lot with over 3,100 square feet of living space.
Upstairs is where this home shines. A light and bright open kitchen, bar, dining, and living space, all flowing onto an extensive wraparound deck.
This home is built for entertaining. Sunset dinners, weekend gatherings, or just morning coffee with the coastal breeze. The indoor-outdoor lifestyle is effortless here.
Downstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, a family room, and a rec room with endless possibilities. Home gym, media room, guest space, you decide.
Outside, the fully fenced backyard is level and private, with plenty of room to relax, entertain, or add a pool.
The terraced side yard is the perfect spot for a vegetable garden. And with a 2-car garage with EV charging plus a circular driveway, that parks 4 more. There's room for everyone.
And then there's the location. Stroll to Grandview Beach, catch waves at moonlight and beacons. Explore the trails at Patterson's Lagoon.